Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and we've got another box for you. Haven't done one of these in a little while. Want to check it out? Main Street Mail. This is the Castle Correspondent box, and that's coming up right now. Alright, so let's take a look. So this box, I know they've changed some of their pricing and they have different boxes and stuff. We are still kind of grandfathered in, I believe, with our $100 Castle Correspondent box. If you have not gotten a box from Main Street Mail before, feel free to use our promo code to save yourself some money. It's DD10. I'll put a link down in the description so you can get your own box. Ready? Alright. Got a postcard, greetings from Sunset Boulevard. Boop. And a note. Let's see. Chris and fam. My chair's squeaky today. Thank you so much for your order and continued support. Have a magical day. And then the spoiler sheet is in here, so we'll take a look at that last. So currently, as you're watching this, I'm out of town working. I'll be there for 2 weeks. So I'm hoping that I get back in time to record the next one for the Saturday after you're watching this. It may come out on that Sunday though, so we'll see what happens. Depends on how much I want to drive that last night. All right, ready? Blue. Oh, I see something cute already. I don't know what it is, but the box is cute. I almost threw that. Oh, there's a lot of... Alright. I almost threw this at my head. They are playing cards. These look vintage, I'm guessing. I'll put this in the photo box so you can kind of take a look at the cards. Boop. Goofy's the Joker. Dig it. Yeah, so we'll take a look, but I'm guessing there's no price tag or barcode or anything on this. That's cool, though. Maybe I'll take them with me and play solitaire in the hotel. Alright. So, it's a little metal stand for a picture. So I'm assuming there's a picture in here. If not, this is a little odd. So this will be to be continued. Maybe it's for the postcard. Alright. This is the cute box I was referring to earlier. Bring a smile wherever you go figurine. Special edition Hallmark Disney. See what this is. Look at how cute this thing is! Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Pluto, and Goofy, the Fab Five, went camping. This thing is super cute. Special edition. I will throw this in the photo box so you can check it out. Boop. I like it. I like the little chimney on top. Bring a smile wherever you go. Nice. And lastly, what appears to be a cutting board. Let's see. It's a Steamboat Willie cutting board. And I think this is really to be decorative and possibly go on that. Eh? I like it. I love Steamboat Willie, and I love kitchen stuff. That's awesome. I like it a lot. Alright, so let's see if I was right about the playing cards. Did I? Boop. Yeah. Let's see. I'm a little frazzled. I have to be on the road in like 15 minutes. Alright. Castle correspondent for Disney Dynamicks. Did I? Boop. Cutting board, $26. Figurine, $79.99. Vintage deck of cards from the 80s, $6. And so, no charge for the postcard, and they didn't fill it out. And actually, this looks vintage too, to be honest with you. And they did not charge me for the holder. So, total $111.99. Again, I paid $100. Very cool. If you like, especially if you like vintage items, because I'm pretty sure this is the only box that does that still. I could be wrong. I think that Mickey Loot was starting to talk about it. But if you would like to try out Main Street Mail, again, the link is down below. Use it, save yourself some money, check it out. And yeah, I'm going to go hit the road. Don't forget, coming up in May, we are going to be in Disney World in Florida, and we're going to do lives and get a lot of footage, and I might even do lives on some rides, stuff like that. It's going to be very cool, and Mary is very excited to go. It's going to be nice. All right. Is that it? I believe so. The what?
$3.
Oh, yes. So when I get back from my little work trip, we are going to do a very large giveaway. We're going to put together our own box with a very high value and give it away to one of you guys. We haven't done it in very long, and we're going to celebrate whatever we're at that point. I think we're at like 1905 right now as I record this. So maybe we'll have a celebration of like 1923. You know, why not? Celebrate the weird things. All right, that's all I got for now. I will see you guys soon. If you haven't seen the last video, click the button right here. If you have not subscribed to our channel, click the button right here and join us on Facebook, Disney Dynamicks. I hope you're having a great day.